Oh, look at you, Bama. And move that bad boy up. Order setting hearing. It's a good thing he kept his calendar open. So, review of the state's physical evidence as per court order dated 8/5. Wait, so they weren't able to agree of going to the sheriff's office or some other location, so she didn't have the media there? Well, he said if it's not done by the 3rd. So apparently they haven't given notice that it's been done. It might already have been done. They just haven't finished, because he did say you have to let me know when it's done and I will cancel this. So that's T. Motion for payment of costs and appointing neuropsychologists to assist the defendant in preparation of the defense. So they're going to have the JAC here. He said he couldn't. And then please be governed accordingly. I love me some craning. I feel like we should be in the break room, but I can't switch out my background while we're here. I'll have to cut this part and make it another. Foregoing was filed with the clerk. Okay, that's it. It doesn't say. I know the JAC has to be alerted. Oh, here, I'm skipping it. Oh my God. Accordingly, a copy of the foregoing is being sent on this day to all attorneys, interested parties identified on the e-portal electronic service list and sent via U.S. mail to Sarah Boone. So today's the 28th. She's not going to get that by the 3rd, before the 3rd, right? Because today's a Wednesday. Monday's a holiday. She's going to be up short again. Maybe her attorney friends or her other friends will help her out a little bit. Yikes. I had a feeling there was going to be some issue with seeing that evidence elsewhere. Now she's going to be back stuck. I mean, good for us. But she's going to be back stuck with the media watching her look at her evidence. Because she always has to come in with a Karen move. Like, everything is agreed. And then the last minute, she's like, oh, I need this. And the state was like, no, sis, we trying to help you out. Yes. Why 6, Super Kelly? Where are you? Are you on the West Coast? It must be if you're getting up at 6. Yikes. Thanks, Spammer. Oh my God. Also, her request will be addressed regarding the specialist. Yeah. I deem all Karen. Oh yeah, we did that one. Wow. Sarah won't be happy. It's Sarah's fault. The only reason it will be in that courtroom is because she could not agree to the neutral location for the meeting with the state. Because it was clear as day to all of us that if they did that and recorded it with the court, she would not have to do it. But that's why the state is smart. That's why Mr. J and Mr. Cacciatore were like, we wanted you to rule on that first before we mentioned it. I mean, we all know who Sarah is at this point. So she probably wanted to wear a skirt to that, and they said no. Who knows? Oh my God, who put Sap Sap? You are so wrong. I volunteer as tribute to control the stun cuff button. Oh my God. So it's 2 buttons that they have to push at the. Why didn't they put one on Darryl Brooks? I mean, I know he didn't walk around, but remember he kept saying that he had one on and he didn't. And I'm wondering like why, because if anybody needed a good shock, it was Mr. Brooks. Oh my God. She wants the jury to see the stun cuff to get sympathy. Did he want people to? Oh, yeah, he did want to make it known. I don't know if it was the jury or all of us at home, but he did want to make it known because there were so many conversations about that. And then Judge Darrell had to put it on the record that he was not. I think the skirt is just to be a contrarian. She is the queen of contrary, right? She is the queen. Never mind Mary, quite contrary. Sarah, we can't bear her.
There's a solution for it to be held at the Orange County Sheriff's Department as well.
Anything else from the state?
I wasn't going to bring it up until after the ruling on the motion, but the parties have reached and accomplished to both of our satisfaction, and I'll let the court know.
Okay. Have you had a conversation with Ms. Boone prior to today regarding this proposal?
The hairstyle, I know. Yes, it is. That's what they're going to come back with the sentencing. She excels at everything. You know what? Smart people don't have to tell you that they're smart, though, right? They probably don't want to because you'll be asking them to read some form or something. Like, the fact that she has to say it is proof in and of itself that she is not. Like, how are you excelling at everything when you don't have a job? You can't pay your own rent without your ex-husband. You sit around and drink all day. The neighbors call you, what is it? Boozy Bear, Berry Booze, whatever. And you murdered your boyfriend. When you say excel, do you mean the opposite? Like, what?